I'm recording. Say hello. How is your ride so far? This experience has been bumpy, yeah? Yeah.
Hello.
That's Nana.
I don't want to die because I have a very sexy son. So
very
fun. Yeah. It's a lovely experience with my friends.
Background.
Sorry, hold on. Ladies,
Get me
ladies,
inside it now.
ladies, look, see, I'm sorry to be boastful, but that's my boat. I tried to come down and hang out you guys here for tonight, but tonight I'm going there. See some guys at the whole meeting there for under there. That's a big boys meeting. Which would make sense? Too much.
Too much sense.
Too much money.
Money is a bastard.
What?
Money is a bastard.